Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine. Well, today I'm going to talk about, the stocks, the stock market and you. Yes, you are the most important thing in this world. Remember that, because if you are there, this world is there for you. And if you aren't there, this world is over for you. So today I'm going to talk about the stocks, the stock market and you, and I'm going to tell you all regarding the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Well, first let me tell you all that I was wrong with my predictions. I've been wrong with my predictions since quite a few weeks now. Yes, I have been wrong with my predictions since 2 weeks now. Yes, I have been wrong with my predictions. I want to admit in front of y'all that I was wrong with my predictions since the last 2 weeks. And today I'm going to give you all some good predictions regarding Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. Yes, I'm going to give you all some good predictions regarding Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Well, my prediction about Nifty for today is that the Nifty can touch a level of 23,440. Yes, Nifty can touch a level of 23,440 today. And the Bank Nifty can touch a level of around 49,817. Yes, today the Bank Nifty can touch a level of 49,817. I know it has already touched a low of 49,960 today. The Bank Nifty has already touched a level of 49,960 and it is currently trading at 50,212. But my calculation tells me that it can still touch a lower level of 49,817 today, and the Nifty can touch a level of 23,440 today. Yes, this is my prediction regarding Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. Yesterday I had told you all that the markets could recover from a level of 23,650. It didn't do that. Yes, and I had told you all that even the Bank Nifty would recover, but it didn't happen. So I was wrong with my predictions yesterday and the day before yesterday also. So let me just give you all some predictions regarding silver and gold for today. See, I am bearish on gold and silver today. Yes, I am bearish on gold and silver today. And my levels on the MCX for today would be that silver could touch a lower level of 87,440. Yes, silver could touch a level of 87,440 and it could reverse from there. And regarding gold, I want to tell you all is that gold could touch a level of 73,556. I am bearish on gold as well as silver today. Regarding international gold prices, I want to tell you all that gold can touch a lower level of 2544 today. And I am bearish from 2571. If the gold touches 2571, it can fall from there. And regarding gold on the MCX, if the gold touches a level of 74,135, it can fall from there. And if silver touches a level of 88,371, it can fall from there. So I'm bearish on gold and silver today. Regarding silver in dollar terms, I want to tell you all that silver can fall from a level of $30.44 and it can fall to a level of $29.62. So silver XAG USD can fall from a level of $30.44 and it can fall to a level of $29.62. So I am bearish on the gold and silver. Yes, I am bearish on both these commodities. Yes, right now Nifty is trading at 23,526. I expect the Nifty to fall to a level of around 23,440 today. Yes, and it can recover from there. One more downside I see on the Nifty at this point in time. Yes, I see a downside on the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty at this point in time. And the Bank Nifty can touch a level of 49,817. So this is my prediction regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. But I can be wrong. Yes, I can be wrong. Like everybody else. See, most of the people were wrong yesterday. No, but that doesn't give me, that extra, leeway to be wrong. No. सर येस बैंक कैसा रहेगा इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए? अमन कुमार जी राइट्स 16 रुपए से पहले ना ले। अमन कुमार जी 16 रुपए से पहले येस बैंक का सोचे भी नहीं सोचे। येस बैंक 16 रुपए के ऊपर मुझे ठीक लगता है और अगर उसके नीचे जाता है तो एवरेज डाउन योर कॉस्ट प्राइस, मतलब नीचे जाए तो फिर एवरेज करिए अपने कॉस्ट प्राइस को। हाँ जी बिल्कुल करिए। येस बैंक मुझे अच्छा लगता है लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए और मेरा लॉन्ग टर्म टारगेट येस बैंक के लिए है करीब 127 रुपए 48 महीने में। अमन कुमार जी मेरा जो टारगेट है जो मैंने आपको बताया है येस बैंक के लिए वो 48 महीने में 120 रुपए के ऊपर भी जा सकता है। कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है येस बैंक की। तो मल्टीबैगर है, एक कर सकते हैं आप इन्वेस्टमेंट, जरूर कर सकते हैं। ऐसी कोई घबराने वाली बात नहीं है। येस बैंक में सेफ शेयर है इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, बिल्कुल है। हाँ, सो this is the situation now. Now Nifty has started trading at around 23,531 and Bank Nifty is trading at 50,246. Let's see if it goes down or not. My prediction is that it could again touch a lower level today. Yes, the Nifty can touch a lower level of 23,440 and Bank Nifty can touch a level of 49,817. So this is my prediction regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. Well, let me tell you all that I wouldn't be giving weekly predictions just now. I will be giving you all weekly predictions in another video. So if you want to know about my weekly predictions, you can tune in to my YouTube channel Shri Aashish. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the stock market and you. If you all have any questions about yourself, you can send me your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth and I can answer one question. Yes, I can. If you have one question, I can answer that during this live session. So this is a live streaming for you, the stock markets and stocks. So if you have a stock query, if you hold a stock, then I can guide you whether you should keep holding that stock or not. So currently, I'd just like to tell you all that first of all, as I tell you that yesterday about at least I received 100 messages telling me that they've lost a lot of money. They were on the long side in the market and they were trading in the stock market and they lost a lot of money yesterday. I told them that if you think short term in the stock market, you are going to lose money. Yes, you are going to lose money heavily. So, your mantra should be, your strategy should be to invest in the stock market slowly and steadily. And this can be a very good opportunity at this point in time to invest in the stock market. The markets have already fallen around 10%, maybe more. Okay, AKS, can I benefit from the stock market? Just let me make your horoscope. AKS, please bear with me. Just let me see your horoscope first. So, your date of birth is 29th April. 29th April 1964. 29th April 1964. I'm just making your horoscope. Stay with me, AKS. Can I benefit from the stock market? Yes, just let me. 1964. Okay. So, 1964 and your time of birth is 1542. And your place of birth is Kolkata. Yes, now I'm almost there. Yes, so currently you are Virgo ascendant and Scorpio Rashi, Scorpio moon sign and you are currently running Moon Mahadasha and Venus Antardasha. So, no, Mr. AKS, if you trade in the stock market, you are going to lose money. Yes, if you trade in the stock market, you are going to lose money because your 5th house lord is in the 6th. Yes. I don't see you, yes, you'll have a lot of money. That's one thing I want to tell you, that you will have a lot of money in your life, but from the stock market, plus minus would be minus. Yes, you'll earn some money, but eventually if you trade, you lose it. So let me know if I was right with my predictions or not. So currently I want to tell you all that my prediction regarding I've already given my gold and silver predictions in this video. So if you have any questions regarding gold or silver or any stocks or about yourself, then you're most welcome to ask me right now. I'm willing to answer your question. See, basically, this stock market is a kind of business. Yes, this is a kind of business. Don't take this stock market as a gambling den or a casino. If you do that, then you're gonna lose money, because the casino earns the money, the exchanges earn the money. Yes, they don't, means the person who's going there, very few people earn from that casino or that gambling den which I'm talking about. So don't gamble in the stock market or anywhere else, because sooner rather than later you lose all your money. So it is better to stay invested in the stock market for the long term. Amit Mahapatra, which business will suit me? Stock market. Which business will suit me to stock market? Mr. Amit Mahapatra. Okay. Mr. Amit, just let me make your horoscope, please. Just let me make your horoscope, please. I'll be, okay. Just let me make your horoscope. Okay, now, okay, what is your question? Amitji, I think some kind of licensing work will suit you. Some kind of agency work will suit you. Yes, if you do some licensing work, if you get involved in some, if you become some kind of an agent, you can do miracles in your life. Yes. But doing a proper business, I don't think so. That would be an ideal thing for you. Like you can become, a middleman for, the two parties you are negotiating. You can become a middleman. Yes. You can become an agent and you can earn very good money in that. Yes. If you do this kind of a business, I think it will be very beneficial to you. You can earn a lot of money in that. Yes. Well, if you want to make money in the stock market, I was just talking about making money in the stock market. Stay invested for the long term. Yes, don't gamble in the stock market, because I have received about hundreds of messages yesterday that they have lost thousands and lakhs of rupees in the stock market yesterday. So you see what trading does to you. Why go through that trauma? Why go through that agony? Why go through that tension? Why go through that stress? Gambling, increases your stress levels and you are bound to destroy your health ultimately. Because this is, in our Mahabharata, if you had, if you have read our Mahabharata, you must have seen that gambling event in the Mahabharata costed the Pandavas a lot of things. It costed them a lot of things. So you see, gambling is never a good thing to do in one's life. It is better to stay invested for the long term. Your business will always take 2 years, 3 years, 4 years to develop and to give you returns. Similarly, if you invest in the stock market for a long term, you will see yourself earning money. But you have to be patient. Yes, I always say that stock market is a device of transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. So you need to develop this virtue called patience. Yes, and the person who's impatient, he will lose money and you will earn money. It's as simple as that. So I don't know why people don't understand this thing, that if you want to make money in the stock market, people say that I want to make money in the stock market. I want to get rich like Mr. Warren Buffett, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Mr. Vijay Kedia. But nobody wants to follow them. They just want to earn money overnight. They want to earn money overnight. That will never happen. That will never happen. No Rome was built in a day. Yes, no Rome was built in a day. That Rome which we talk about wasn't built in a day. So remember that. So, Mr. Mahapatra, I hope I have answered your question. So currently, my thing is that, one should remain positive about everything. And you should keep yourself focused on one thing. Whatever you are doing in your life, you need to keep yourself focused on it. That focus is very important. If you try to catch two rabbits at the same time, then you will catch neither one of them. If you think, no, I'll go to Delhi today, and tomorrow again you start thinking, I will go to Mumbai today, and you change your direction, then you are not gonna end up anywhere in your life. Because you start your journey towards Delhi and all of a sudden you think that I want to go to Mumbai, then you are changing your direction. And this habit of yours, this attitude of yours, what it will do is that once you start walking towards Mumbai, then you will start thinking that let me walk towards Bangalore. So don't be fickle in your ideas and plans, in your goals and dreams. Stay focused on one thing. Whatever that thing is, whatever you love, do that. And sooner rather than later, you will see success in it. That is how Oh yes, Mr. Mahapatra, you are right. That means intraday trading is not good. You will lose money, Mr. Mahapatra. If you do intraday trading, mutual fund SIP will be good. Oh yes, definitely, Mr. Mahapatra, you're right. But I would suggest you to invest in particular stocks. Yes, I wouldn't suggest you to invest in mutual funds. Buy good quality stocks, and if they fall during the fall, means whenever the stock market falls, you need to average down your cost price. But you don't need to buy your stocks in one go. Why do that? Don't buy your stocks in one go. You need to invest slowly and steadily. Buy 25% of your capital right now, and if it falls further, add another 25% to that portfolio of yours. I think trading is a waste of time. Yes, if you don't have loads of money, if you don't have enough money, then I think trading is a waste of time. You are just simply, you will be destroying your time and your life. Yes, if you are trading and if you don't have the capacity to average down your cost price, or so, means I don't think so it is worth it for you. And most of the people lose money in the stock market while trading and gambling. Yes, that is one thing. So thank you, Mr. Mahapatra, for your questions. If anybody else is there for their questions, I would like to answer it. And remember, stock market is a device from transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. Yes, that is the mantra one should remember in the stock market. See, nothing is easy in this world. No, nothing is easy in this world. There will be times that your investment will be showing you negative returns. There will be times that you will not be feeling all right, that your investments are not fetching you good returns. That will happen. Ups and downs are a part of the stock market, just like our life. Yes, just like our life, ups and downs come in the stock market as well as in our life. But during those down moments, that is where you need to show your strength. You need to show your character. You need to keep going in that stock market. You need to average down your cost price if you have the money. So that is why I was telling Mr. Mahapatra that please don't invest your money in one go. You need to invest your money slowly and steadily in the stock market. But yes, Mr. Mahapatra, if you don't have time, if you are involved in something else, mutual funds and SIP could be the best way for you to invest in the stock market. So, what else, that I was talking about risk. Yes, there is an element of risk in the stock market. Yes, because everywhere in this world, whatever you do, there is risk involved in that. If you haven't taken any risk in your life, that means you haven't done anything in your life. Yes, you haven't done anything in your life, because everything in our life involves risk. Yes, it involves risk. Everything in our life is risky. The day we were born, it got risky. Investing in the stock market is risky. Yes, it is. Getting married is risky. Doing a business is risky. Yes, I'll tell you how risky life is. You can't get out of this life alive. You have to die to live here. That is how risky life is. So, this risk has to be taken. Without risk, there will be no gain. As somebody said, that if you aren't willing to take risks in your life, yes, if you aren't willing to take risks in your life, you can't grow in your life. Yes, if you aren't willing to take risks in your life, then you will not grow in your life. And if you don't grow in your life, you will never become the best in your life. Yes, you will never become the best in your life. And if you don't become the best in your life, then you will never remain happy in your life. Then you will never remain happy in your life. And if you don't remain happy in your life, then what else is there? So, because we human beings are doing everything to make ourselves happy, aren't we? So, that on that basis of risk, we can become happy, because you have to, you have to place your bets somewhere in your life, either in business or you are doing a job, whatever it is, or place your bet in the stock market. I'm not telling you all to gamble. In simply investing, I'm talking about. Harshad Kharbikar. Sir, Bitcoin prediction karo please. देखिए हर्षद जी, मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूं. मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ है बिटकॉइन के बारे में, और मेरी जो प्रिडिक्शन है 2025 के बारे में वो ये है कि बिटकॉइन ना 43,000 आ सकता है, $43,000 आ सकता है. आज की डेट में लोग हो सकता है कि मेरे ऊपर हंसें. देखिए मैंने ना गोल्ड के ऊपर भी प्रिडिक्शन की थी. आई हैड प्रिडिक्टेड अबाउट गोल्ड ऑल्सो. You know, when gold was trading near about $2,800, people were laughing at me, and I had predicted regarding gold that the gold can fall to a level of around $2,200, between $2,200 and $2,250 in the year 2025. And as you all can see that from a level of around $2,800, gold has already fallen to a level of $22,550. So right now people might think, thank you Mr. Harshad, thank you so much. So this is what I want to tell you all, that an element of risk should be always taken. And don't expect life to, act immediately. I mean, give your results immediately. Don't expect results immediately in your life. Don't look for instant gratifications in your life. Look for delayed gratifications in your life. Brick by brick, you have to work towards your goals and dreams. Yes, brick by brick, step by step, because a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. And you might not see your destination at this point in time. You might be confused. It might be a foggy night. You might not be able to see your destination at that point in time. My suggestion to you would be that on a foggy night, on a rainy night, when you plan to go towards your destination, move towards your destination, you might not see your destination immediately. But I'll suggest you one thing. I'll give you a formula for it. You need to first travel your first 100 feet to see the second 100 feet. You are not going to see your destination on a foggy night. When things are falling apart, you might not see your destination. You might feel despondent. You might feel hopeless in your life. You will tell God, why me, God? Why is this happening to me, God? But let me tell you, when you are going through a problem, you might not realize why you are going through that problem. Only when you look back on your life, you will realize that why you needed that lesson, why you needed that difficulty, that problem in your life. So in real time speed, you will never understand. You will never understand why it is happening to you. But later on, you will realize that that lesson was to make you stronger, was to make you more wiser, better, and greater in your life. Every event in our life comes in our life to teach us something. So we mustn't say that if we are going through certain problems and difficulties in our life, which everybody does, even our gods suffered. Yes, they endured all the pains, they endured all the sufferings of the world. So this is nothing new. If it is happening to you and me, this is nothing new. So this is not something we should just Karani ji, Jai Mata Di, like, done. Thank you, thank you. So, problems and difficulties are a part of our life. So we mustn't get disillusioned by them. We mustn't say, oh, why me, God? No, we should face our challenges. Yes, we should face our challenges boldly, aggressively. And we should emerge a stronger person on the other side than when we went into that problem. Yes, we should emerge stronger on the other side. And if you face your problems and difficulties, then let me tell you that no storm can destroy you. Yes, no storm can destroy you. Yes, you will become a stronger, a much better person, a much wiser person than before. So these problems, Sanjay ji, Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali. So you become a stronger person when you face your problems and challenges. When we go to the gym, we won't feel like lifting weights. We won't feel like, doing those bench presses. We won't feel like running the treadmill, because those are difficult things. Yes, those are difficult things. But the results of those things which you do in the gym, it will not show on your body immediately. You are not gonna get fitter in one day. But gradually, day by day, if you start, going to the gym every day, then one day you will see a massive change in your body. Your body will become fit than before. So, those problems, those difficulties which come to you will not show results immediately in your life, that it has made you stronger, wiser and better. But eventually in your life, when you look back, you will see that those problems and difficulties were given to you by God for your good, for your benefit. So there is always a lesson in every event in our life. So we must remain positive whatever our situations are. And we must face those situations boldly and aggressively. Well, it is easier said than done. Only the person who is facing those problems and difficulties knows what he or she is going through. And yes, that is where my remedy comes. Some people, get stuck into a problem and they are unable to come out of that problem easily. Hence, I have this, astrological, vastu and a spiritual remedy for you all. If you want that remedy, if you are stuck in a problem for long, if you don't know how to come out of that problem, then I can give you a remedy. Yes, because where there is life, there will be problems, as I have just discussed. Yes, where there is life, there will be problems. And where there is a problem, there is a solution. No lock in this world was ever made without keys. No manufacturer in this world will make a lock without keys, because his lock will never be sold. So similarly, God gives us problems and difficulties, but there is a solution to our problems and difficulties. So, if you also want if you want to know about your future, if you want to know about, your business, your career, your job, your relationships, your love relationships, your marriage, your married life, your children, your property, if you want to know about them, if you want to plan your life through astrology, yes, planning is very important in our life. Those people who fail to plan, yes, those people who fail to plan to fail. Yes, that is simple. So our lives should be planned. And if you want to plan your life through astrology and numerology, then you can take a consultation from me. Amit Kumar ji writes, Guruji Namaste, आपका वीकली वीडियो निफ्टी बैंक कब आएगा? आज ही आएगा, आज ही करूंगा, आज ही करूंगा, आज ही करूंगा, जरूर करूंगा। अमित कुमार जी वेट करें। तो अभी क्या है कि just let me see what's happening with the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, the Nifty has already come down from a level of 23,535, currently trading at 520, and the Bank Nifty is trading currently at 182. So let's see my prediction regarding for Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. So, any other questions? So what I was thinking, that if some more people joined my live streaming, that would be great, so that I can take more questions from you all regarding gold, silver, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and for yourself. Yes. If you all have any other questions, please let me know. You know, don't get influenced by other people. Don't get influenced by other people. Yes, if it is not wise to get influenced by other people. If you have a goal or dream of your own, follow that goal or dream. You don't need to imitate somebody. You don't need to emulate somebody. You need to become yourself. You need to become yourself. You need to understand what you are good at, what is your passion, what is your love in your life, and do that thing. Because if you try to copy somebody else, that wouldn't be fun for you, that wouldn't give you job satisfaction, that wouldn't be the right thing for you to do in your life. But if you do something which you love, you will always do it regardless of the good results or not. Yes, even if you don't get results, even if you aren't successful in it, then you will do that thing. Regardless of the results, you will keep doing that. So the things which come from your heart will always benefit you. Don't try and ask somebody, what should I do in my life? No, try to follow your heart, because where your heart is, there your treasure is also. So you need to follow your heart. Yes, if you feel like investing in the stock market, if you want to become big like Mr. Warren Buffett, if you want to become big like Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Mr. Vijay Kedia, yes, all these people, started small. They didn't come to the stock market with billions and billions of dollars, but they have made billions in the stock market. They have made millions of rupees in the stock market. So, some people think that, when everything will be hunky-dory, when everything will be all right, then I will start doing a certain thing. There is no perfect moment in our life. Let me be very candid with you. Let me be very honest with you, that there is no perfect moment in our life. It is us who has to seize the moment and make it perfect. Yes, we have to seize our moments and make it perfect. And let me tell you, that don't expect anything from anyone. You need to do it yourself. You need to do it yourself. Nobody is going to come and help you. Nobody is going to come and make you a millionaire or a billionaire. Nobody is going to come and make you a millionaire or a billionaire. You have to do it yourself. This is your life. This is your fight. Yes, this is your fight, and you have to fight this battle alone. This life is a lonely, scary, and a dangerous pursuit. I want to repeat, this life is a lonely, dangerous, and a scary pursuit. So be ready to fight alone. Yes, I'm not saying you shouldn't take help from others. You shouldn't discuss with others. You shouldn't take advice from others. Yes, you need to take help from others, because that it's not that you are weak, but you want to remain strong. You must take help from others, not because you are weak, but you want to remain strong. Hence you can take help from others. But don't expect others to spoon feed you. Don't do that. You have to go through something to get to something. Yes, you have to go through the fiery furnaces of this world yourself. Nobody is going to go through the fiery furnaces of this world, go through the difficulties of this world for you, through the hardships of this world for you, through the agony and pain for you. Nobody else is going to go through those problems and difficulties which you are facing. You have to go through those problems and difficulties yourself, and you have to solve those problems and difficulties yourself. Yes, nobody is going to come and go through your problems and difficulties. So it is better not to discuss with other people your problems and difficulties. Those are your problems and difficulties. You have to solve them yourself. Yes, but you can definitely take help from others. Yes, you can. Harshad, yes. Himanshu Vasa, Guruji, can I take a trade based on horoscope? Yes, definitely, Mr. Himanshu. Yes, definitely, you can do that. Yes, you can definitely do that, Mr. Himanshu Vasa. Mr. Harshad Kharbikar, Bitcoin information. Yes, I'm planning to make videos on Bitcoin as well. I'll start doing it from the month of December, not now, Mr. Harshad. Yes, or maybe by the end of November I'll start making videos on Bitcoins, or I'll start talking about Bitcoins, at the end of the month, from the end of the month or from December. See, I was talking that, this life is, you came into this world alone and you are gonna leave this world alone. This is the nature of our life. So during the time between birth and death, we are alone also, because we were born alone and we are going to die alone. So this entire life of ours is a journey where we have to stay alone and we have to fight our battles alone. Yes, you may have relatives, you may have friends, that is a separate issue. But in your difficulties and problems, nobody is going to be there for you. So you need to be prudent, you need to be wise with your decision and make sure you don't end up making a wrong decision in your life. Yes, you should always consult your elders. You should also always consult your astrologers before you make a very important decision in your life. Because one decision can cost you a lot of time and a lot of money. So that decision should be taken. Next, Mr. Vishwadham. Next week trend, bullish, sir. I haven't seen it as yet. No, I haven't seen it as yet. I'll inform you through my videos. I'll be making a video, or I'll be coming live in the evening and I'll be telling you all. I haven't seen the horoscope of next week. I'm sorry about this. So, I'll be definitely be coming live, or I'll be making a video on Bank Nifty and Nifty, and I'll be telling you all whether my views about Nifty and Bank Nifty, about the stock market. Yes, so so I was just talking about your struggles and problems. So don't panic when your bad times come. It comes to, everybody sees bad times, but you shouldn't panic at that point in time. Yes, I agree, it is easier said than done, but if you can just stay calm, if you don't react, if you stay calm, if you stay still during that time will also pass. Any time which comes in our life has come to pass. It hasn't come to stay. This moment while I'm talking to you, this has also passed. And your problems and your difficulties will pass as well. So you need to understand that this too shall pass. So with that belief, with that knowing that this too shall pass, you should fight your battles. Because nothing has come to stay, everything has come to pass. We are going to pass away as well one day. So, if we aren't permanent in this world, then our problems, our difficulties, our hurdles, our barriers and obstacles are not permanent. They are gonna go away as well one day. So don't panic. Be strong. Be strong. Be a strong person. Yes. And that is how you need to live your life. You need to show the world that you can make it in this thing called life. Yes, you can see success in this thing called life. And more importantly, means people might criticize you, they might, condemn you, they might judge you. Don't give any importance, don't give any credence to their judgment, their criticism. No, don't give. You see, it is not important what others think about you. What you think about yourself is more important than what others think about you. No, others' opinions, they don't matter in your life. What matters is what you think about yourself. Yes, if you think that I am the best, you should keep holding to that idea that I am the best. And don't worry about making mistakes. Every one of us makes mistakes. Even the best of people in this world make mistakes, and that is how we learn. Nobody was born, an expert. Nobody was born a doctor. Nobody was born a lawyer. Nobody was born an engineer. Nobody was born a pilot. Nobody was born an astrologer. Nobody was born a saint. We all learned in this world. So, you need to learn in this world. Yes, the more you learn, the more you earn. The more you get yourself educated, the more you will earn in your life. The formula is simple. The more you learn, the more you will earn. So whatever your field of activity is, you need to become a master in that. You need to keep learning about your trade. If you are in the stock market, keep learning how to see charts. Keep learning how to see the balance sheets. Keep learning about that company which you are invested in. So, as I told you, the more you learn, the more you will earn. The more grasp you have on your subject, the more you will be appreciated by the people around you. And our success depends upon our mastery over our subject. So, that success is very important, but you must work hard on your subjects, on your, the field of activity which you are doing. If you, every day we need to study. It's not that, because until the last day you need to study in your life. So, the more you study, the more stronger you become in your life. The more grasp you have over your, more command you have over your subject. So that whenever you are talking to people, they come to know that you aren't a knife. You are not just, you don't know anything. So you must study what you are working on. If you are in the stock market, make sure you know everything about a particular stock. What is the PE ratio? What is the, the other things which people see? What is the RSI? What is how the charts move? So, if you are an astrologer, you must know about all the planets and how they behave, all the nakshatras, how they behave. So that is how you need to, conduct yourself in this thing called life. And if you pursue one thing in your life, if you stay focused on one thing in your life, let me assure you, you will see tremendous success in your life. You will see incredible success in your life. But make sure your focus is on one thing, because that one thing can give you everything. Because don't put your hands in too many things in your life. If you are an expert in a particular field of activity, it's better you stay focused on that. Don't try to do too many things at the same time. You won't be able to do anything otherwise. So that is what my suggestion to y'all would be at this point in time. ASR Murthy, 22nd November 1969, 10:30 am. Will my horoscope permit to be a successful trader? ASR Murthy, just hold on. Let me answer this question, because this question is related to the stock market. Just let me answer this question. Seems an interesting question, Mr. ASR Murthy, that you'll be a successful trader or not. Yes, let me tell you that I have seen several horoscopes and they are very successful in trading, but they have plenty of money behind them. Okay, just let me see. ASR Murthy. Okay. 22nd of November 1969. Okay. And 10:30 am. 10:30 am in the morning. And okay. Now let me see your horoscope, Mr. ASR Murthy. Let me see your horoscope. Okay. No, Mr. Murthy, it is not advisable for you to trade in the stock market. No, you won't be a successful trader in the stock market. No. Eventually you are going to lose money. Plus, minus, you'll be minus. Yes. You're going to lose money heavily if you trade in the stock market. Yes. No, you will never become a successful trader. Thank you, Mr. ASR Murthy. Himanshu Vasa, Guruji, do I have a successful intraday and stock investment yoga based on my Kundli chart? Okay, Mr. Himanshu, I'll answer this question because this is related to the stock market. Just hold on. Himanshu ji. Himanshu Vasa ji, okay. And your date of birth is 29th of June, 1976. Okay, just let me see. Your time of birth is 10:32 in the morning. So this is it. Okay, Bhuj in Gujarat. Himanshu ji, here I am. Yes, Himanshu ji, you are Leo ascendant and Cancer moon sign. Jupiter is in your 9th house. And Mr. Himanshu, you already have a lot of money, isn't it? You already have a lot of money. So you don't need to trade in the stock market. No. Not advisable for you to trade in the stock market. No. You lose money as well. Just like our friend Mr. Murthy. Yes. Just like our friend Mr. Murthy, you are also going to lose money if you trade in the stock market. But you don't need to worry about money. You'll have plenty of it. Mr. Himanshu, I hope I have answered your question. Yes. So people are joining in, and let me tell you all that currently see, okay, the Nifty has recovered significantly. Even the Bank Nifty has recovered significantly. Okay. That's good. That's good for the market. So, I was just talking about the, you need to stop bothering about other people. You need to stop be bothering about what others say about you. You need to start thinking positive about yourself. Even if you don't see any results, any success in your life, keep telling yourself that I am the best, that I can make it in this thing called life, that I am going to be a millionaire or a billionaire. I am the best. You need to tell yourself that I can see defeats in my life, but I will never be defeated. You must have that attitude in you that whether you see defeats or not, whether you see defeats or not, you are going to go on with your life continuously. You are never gonna stop in your life. Yes, that should be your mantra for your life if you want to become successful. And stop bothering about what other people say about you. The main thing is that what you say to yourself, what is the chatter in your mind, that is important, not what others are saying about you. Others might say a lot of things, they might tell you a lot of things. You see, this dream of yours, this goal of yours, whatever you are trying to do, is your goal and dream. This goal and dream wasn't given to others by God. It was given to you. So how will other people understand what you really want to do in your life? Because that is in your heart. So instead of, taking advices from, some listening to others about yourself, about your life, it is better you listen to yourself. Listen to your heart. As I always say, that where your heart is, there your treasure will be. Guruji, my wife's name is Ankita Kharbikar. Okay? Gajanan Ambade. Jai Shri Ram. Gajanan ji. Jai Shri Ram. Himanshu ji, you're most welcome. You're most welcome, Himanshu ji. You're most welcome. So, this life is all about you. It's not about, yes, you must live for others. That is, definitely you must live for others. You must live for your family. But your goals and dreams should be yours. And if you believe in a certain thing, if you believe in your idea, if you believe in your plan, if you believe in your goal or your dream, then you must pursue that goal and dream. You shouldn't listen to anyone. You shouldn't, just because somebody tells you, no, oh, this would be difficult, this would be too hard, this is a very rocky mountain, you won't be able to climb that mountain. Don't listen to others, because whether that mountain is dangerous or it is too precipitous, it shouldn't make a difference to you. Because when your dream is big enough, the odds don't matter. You have to tell yourself, I'll do it or die. Yes, that should be your words to yourself. I will do it or die. And if you have thought that I will do a certain thing in my life, then you must do that. If that is your passion, if that is your love, you must do that. You shouldn't listen to anyone. Because others don't know what you want in your life. What is the love of your life? What is the passion of your life? Nobody knows what is, because those dreams and goals haven't been given to them. They have been given to you. So if they aren't, agreeing, if they cannot see it for you, because they don't know how it feels to become that person, that they don't know how to fulfill that goal and dream. Only you know it. You will see a lot of happiness when you do that. Only you will be happy. You will be full of ecstasy. You will be full of bliss when you fulfill your goals and dreams. When you reach your destination, you will become happy. So for your own happiness, you need to work on your ideas, your plans, your goals and dreams. Let your goals and dreams be unique, because you are unique. You know, we all are unique in this world. We were all born unique in this world. Our DNA will never match with others. Our fingerprints will never match with the other person. Our retina will never match with the other person. So you need to listen to what I'm telling you, that you are unique in this world, and you need to do a thing which is unique to you, which is in your heart. You don't need to listen to anyone else. You need to listen to your heart. Yes, where your heart is, there your treasure will be. November ending Nifty bullish, sir. Yes, I will definitely make a video on this, Mr. Vishwadam. Gajanan, Shruti. Sir, date of birth. Okay, I'll take this question. Gajananji, you need to wait. I'm sorry, but I will take these questions today of Shruti as well as Gajanan. What is your question, Shruti? First, okay, let me answer Gajanan. Gajanan. What is your question, Mr. Gajanan? Is stock market suitable for me? Just let me see. Okay, the 1st of August. Your date of birth is 1st of August 1977. Yeah. And your time of birth is 1:30 in the afternoon. Gajananji, just hold on, bear with me. And, okay. Karnataka, okay. Gajananji, let me see your horoscope now. Your horoscope is already made. Yes, right now I want to check your horoscope and see if stock market is suitable for you or not. Currently it isn't suitable for you. Mr. Gajanan, currently it isn't suitable for you. Currently you will see some losses on your investments. You will see negative returns on your investments. Currently the stock market is not going to give you any money. But after 26th of October 2025, yes, Mr. Gajanan, after 26th of October 2025, you will make a lot of money in the stock market. Yes, I predict that after 26th of October 2025, you are going to make a lot of money. Yes, you are going to make a lot of money after 26th of October 2025 in the stock market. But not before that. Now let me take the question from Shruti Chatterjee. Okay, her date of birth is okay, Sujit Jana. She is asking about Sujit Jana. Marriage when and second. I want to know to do stock market if remedy is possible. You want to know about Mr. Sujit Jana? Shruti? Do you want to know about Sujit Jana or yourself? Is this your horoscope or somebody else's horoscope? Please reply. Okay, in the meantime, let me make this horoscope. Sujit Jana. Yes, Shruti, what? This is your horoscope. But why have you written Sujit Jana? Okay, let me just make this horoscope, whatever. Okay, 25th of August. 25th of August, 1988. Okay, Shruti, but why have you... Okay, I'm sorry, Shruti. I thought you were a male. You were a female. Sorry about it. My apologies, Shruti. I'm really 25th of August, 1988. 25th of August, 1988. Just, Maheshji, I'll take your question as well. Just hold on, please. I'll take your question, Maheshji. Please give me a moment. I'm just replying to Sujit. Okay, 25th of August 1988. Place 24th of August 28. 1:56 a.m. 1:56 a.m. Kolkata. Okay, now I have your horoscope in front of me, Mr. Sujit. Okay, and your question was marriage when, and second, I want to know what to do in the stock market. Marriage between 30th of June 2025 and between 26th of July 2026. Between 25th of June 2025 and 26th of July 2026. Yes. And the next is, I only want to know stock market. If remedy is needed, personally I will WhatsApp you. Marriage when, and second I want to know about only want to do stock market. Okay, you only want to do stock market. Mr. Sujit, you will only do stock market in your life. Yes, you are right. You will only do stock market in your life. You will not do anything else in your life, because this, your stock market, you are very passionate about the stock market. Yes, you are. And you are going to do this thing. Now let me take this question of Mahesh K. Mahesh K. Just hold on. Where is, I missed the Mr. Mahesh K is. Okay, Mr. Mahesh. Guruji, when will I get my lended money back? Okay, I will take this question also. Please hold on. I will take your question today. Yes. Mahesh G. Mahesh G. Okay. And your date of birth is 29th of September. 29th of September 1969. 29th of September 1969 and 2:45 in the afternoon. 2:45 in the afternoon. You've lent some money to somebody, right? Okay. Mahesh ji, I'm answering your question. Wait. Calicut. Calicut. Kerala. Okay. Mahesh ji, I will answer your question. Okay. Mahesh ji, you will get that money back. Yes, you will get that money back. And that would be between 29th of September 2025 and 28th of December 2026. Yes, you are going to get back that money. You've given it to somebody and you will get back that money. Don't worry. Don't worry, Mahesh ji. You will get back your money. शोभा जैन लिखती है चांदी और कितना गिरेगा. शोभा जी, मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया कि आज का जो मेरा है ना टारगेट नीचे का सिल्वर का मैं बता रहा हूं. नीचे 87,440 जा सकता है और जो गोल्ड है वो नीचे 73,556 तक जा सकता है. पता नहीं अभी क्या चल रहा है. मैं तो देखिए अभी लाइव 87,512 तो आ ही गया गोल्ड सिल्वर में. मैंने आज सुबह ही प्रिडिक्शन किया था सुबह जी इस वीडियो में लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में कि गोल्ड ये भाव में आ जाएगा. आज मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था सुबह. अगर आप मेरी वीडियो देखेंगे, ये जो लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग है, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा मैंने क्या बोला था आज सुबह. आज मतलब ये वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में आई हैड टोल्ड यू ऑल क्लियरली that gold, today is a bearish day for gold as well as silver, and I had given a target of silver of 87,440. Yes, I had given silver target of 87,440, and it is currently trading at, oh, it has already, it went down very drastically today. In fact, silver breached that target of 87,440, but it has bounced back from those levels. 87,440. It was there for a very brief period and it bounced back from there. I expect today is a bearish day for me, silver and gold both. Let me just see the gold price right now. 73,750. You see, today I had given a lower level of gold. That level was 74,135, and gold already has touched a level of, sorry. I had given a lower level of 73,556, and gold has already touched a level of 73,594. So I was very quite near my target of gold. This morning only, if you rewind this live streaming of mine, you will understand the prediction which I had given you all. And during this live streaming, my targets for gold and silver have already been achieved, have almost been achieved. In silver it got achieved, and in gold it fell short of by 50 points. I think it fell short of 50 points. शोभा जी, आज सुबह मैंने प्रिडिक्शन दी थी. अगर आप मेरे प्रिडिक्शन सुनेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि मैंने क्या प्रिडिक्शन की थी. हितेश जी, मिस्टर अविनाश राइट्स, हितेश, उदयपुर, राजस्थान. गुरुजी, प्लीज चेक अबाउट माय बिजनेस कंसिस्टेंसी. Mr. Avinash, I'll take this question in my next live streaming. Okay? My apologies, I couldn't. मुझे माफ करिएगा प्लीज. आज नहीं और क्वेश्चंस ले पाऊंगा. I've taken all the questions which I received today, and I hope everybody has got their answers. Mr. Harshad, what did Mr. Harshad write? Mr. Harshad, I cannot see your. What was your question? I'm sorry about this. Very sorry. Okay, let me just end this live streaming right here, and I will definitely be coming up with my, Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions this evening regarding next week, the weekly predictions. So, and I will be giving you all these daily predictions also. So if you want to, know about the daily predictions also, you can definitely tune into my live streaming every day, and I'll be able to guide you all. And if you have any personal questions also, you can always ask me during this live streaming. So I'd like to end this video here. Thank you everyone for watching this live streaming. I'll be coming every day at about 12 o'clock. I'll try to come every day at 12 o'clock. And I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for watching this video, this live streaming of mine. God bless you all. Keep smiling. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.